Have you ever asked Siri to play a song, received a show suggestion on Netflix, or used Google Maps to find the quickest route? Believe it or not, these everyday tools all rely on artificial intelligence, or AI, to make your life easier. In this video, we're going to explore how AI works behind the scenes in these apps to provide personalized and convenient experiences. Let's dive into the AI you already use every day. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI to understand your spoken requests and respond helpfully. When you ask Siri for the weather, AI interprets your voice and retrieves relevant information. It learns over time to recognize your speech patterns and improve accuracy, making it feel like talking to a real assistant. Ever notice how Netflix or YouTube seem to know just what you want to watch? That's AI at work. Recommendation algorithms analyze what you've watched before and compare it with data from other users to suggest new shows, movies, or videos you might enjoy. These recommendations are based on patterns in your viewing habits, helping you find content without hours of searching. When you use Google Maps or Waze to find directions, AI is hard at work calculating the fastest route. It considers traffic patterns, accidents, and real-time data to get you to your destination efficiently. By constantly analyzing new information, AI helps you avoid delays and find the best way to go. Shopping apps like Amazon also use AI to personalize your experience. If you browse or buy certain items, the app will show you similar products or deals based on your preferences. This helps you discover items you might like while making shopping easier and more convenient. AI is everywhere in our digital lives, making things like finding information, getting directions, and discovering new content faster and more personalized. Understanding how these AI-powered tools work helps us appreciate the technology that enhances our daily routines. If this was helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, or follow button for more content. Thanks for watching.